Hello, my name is Alan Roy Scott, and I'm a veteran songwriter visiting Copa today from LA, but more than that, I'm a member of a very special family. And that family is called the global family of songwriters, artists, and musicians. We have our own special passport that we travel with. It's not just South African, it's not just American or British, it's a passport called music. We all share it, we all travel on it. And I'm happy to be here to talk about my travels a little bit today and my career, and so that everybody can understand wherever you are in South Africa, and if you have a dream to be in music, it is still possible to follow that dream. The world still needs what we do, still needs music more than ever, and it's very important that we all realize how lucky we are to have each other, to support each other, and to bring music to the world in a way of unity, because music to me is about unity. It's a universal language. So everybody plays their part, whether you're a producer or an artist or just making beats or words or whatever you're doing. If it's true to who you are, you're a part of the family. So welcome to the club, welcome to the family, and it's my pleasure to be here and have a chance to catch up with some people today.
He's a great guy, Alan Roy Scott. Thank you for coming out and obviously taking the time to listen to the tracks that we've made ourselves.
He was super amazing. I've learned a lot. Like, it was super productive, and it's just like I have a whole different perspective when it comes to songwriting and music now.
So this opportunity of what he showed us was so amazing, and I just want to thank Copa for giving us the platform and being such a unique place in South Africa.